Yo, it's good. It's your boy Trim Peter. Just wanted to take a moment on this large, illustrious platform to let you know that Judge Brett Kavanaugh is a fine man with an impeccable reputation who is under assault by radical left-wing politicians who don't want to know the answers. They just want to destroy and delay. Facts don't matter.
Hold on, wait, whoa.
That's like our shit there, bro.
Cease and desist. So we get Christina on the phone. Get out of here.
Excuse
That's
me.
a trademark term. We've been using that for 127 episodes.
That is false.
Mine is one episode because Eminem's a hater.
I made that
that's trademark.
I made that
I've been tweeting out. That's my life.
Yo, fuck that. Let's fuck this nigga up, B.
Chill.
Cool. Calm down, tough guy. It wasn't no need for the burn.
Yeah, that's right.
Got my hands up.
Oh, yeah. Respect the OG.
Okay.
This is episode 120 fucking...
127.
Yeah,
Get it right.
Yeah,
You're
right.
going to listen to it and bite the swag?
Yeah.
At least know what number it is.
Okay, I apologize for that.
Pumpkin face.
Pumpkin
Listen, spice latte
you're
looking
lucky,
mofo.
you're lucky this bald motherfucker's holding me back.
Yeah.
Episode 127 of the most dangerous podcast in the world.
You like Cardi.
You fucking cowards, I'll throw a shoot you. Do the fucking drop before I drop you.
Boom.
Ben, get the strap.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Yo, it's episode 127 of the most dangerous podcast in the world. Bodega Boys coming to you live from Red Bull Studio. We both did a big old line of yayo, so the speed, we're going double speed today. You know what it is. Coming to you live, Red Bull Studio, 220 West 18th. Be sure to buy Red Bull. It keeps us employed. Not really, but I mean, just live that lie. When you see a Red Bull picture truck, you point to it and tell your kids, that's Desus Mero. They're driving that truck right there. Yo, it's your boy Desus Nice, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, a.k.a. Pocket Stay Fat Like Terrio, a.k.a. Pocket Stay Fat Like Here We Go.
Yeah.
Chris Asper Sling Dick, Eli Lippy, Butcher Gully, Sober That Might Know Your Bitch, Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, Jesus H. Fuego. I heard the comment in the Twitter. You was like, please enunciate. I got you. Mr. Nando's with Orlando, 1994 in Nueva York. Mikhail going off. The Juke Vay boss. MC Lukagunga P. Pulling up for 40. Which is shorty? You see this girl? You know her? Not anymore. It's mine.
No.
AKA don't talk to me in the overpool.
I don't know you.
Okay, you see the AirPods on. I'm not listening to you. I'm probably watching a Vine.
I'm gonna call
some porno on the low. The original my plus one got a plus one, so don't make a fuss then. These Rossi, the Jamaican Jew, Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa, the Ghost of Mufasa, Young Chakunu.
Yes.
AKA Chili Moan, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. KLO, okay.
Happy.
Two Phone Jones, Jesus Ex Machina, Jake Chuckle, Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Bond is labeled Dilute. Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240p, because like my Pinot. Blurry. DJ Wool, like AKA listen to Washed FM. Up next, we have 24 hours of whom? Here's a throwback.
Let's go. Hit him with it.
If people try to put you down, just walk on by, don't turn around. You only have to answer to yourself. Don't you know it's
That's right. For my 90s kids, a little S Club 7
You know
for
what I'm
you.
saying?
The S didn't sign for Simon, but
You know
you
what
know,
I
it's
mean?
supposed to be Sugar Club. But you know, just a happy-go-lucky tune for skylarking around New York in the autumn.
That's definitely didn't stand for singing.
Wow.
I'll tell you that much.
The Curry Goat, Deezer Spice, the Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx Celine Dion, Ray and Nephew's nephew, the Moreno Kit Container,
cannot.
the Human Mermaid, Human Meme, word the job, Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Henrik Bud Cross, Nelson Bangdell, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffett, the Human Word, the Melting in Your Mouth, Mr. Beck's on deck, Ricky Tiki Squabby, Greg Popovich, more safe, just Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee by that cucumber, the use of press, what your boy never is. I am the art, damn it, the Dundada Ganoush, no more cup of noodles, the Prince of Peckham, the Fashion Nova, Casanova. We made $5, $10, $10. Forget the small change, give me big money. Wine. Only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mr. Psych has me a square one top left.
Yo.
Man, this is Marv.
Don't choose me, bro.
True Rizzuto, holy cow, Mr. Soft Pound. So all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ, Purple Stuff, Soda, and it's me, Sonny D. David Ehrman.
Man,
He's expensive. Smokeem Noah, that's right. I'm gonna go join Tibbs in the Timberwolves out in Minnesota. You know what? Do a fair trade. Smoke Joakim Noah for Jimmy Butler. That's it.
That's Straight up.
No Kevin Knox. No one else. No Frank. Nobody else is going. You get smoke. I will personally drive Joakim Noah
Straight up. I'll
to the Timberwolves.
I'll pay for his Uber. I don't
Okay.
care about the surcharge.
Fuck that.
Surge, whatever the fuck.
Andrew Coonanen, aka the Junior. Energy God Junior. Come sit down.
Yo, si bonita.
Right.
Wine bonita.
Let me garden. Let me put my potted plants in your garden.
Tennessee.
Call me Pet Cook. I got your bitch on freeze. The topic of gossip is sayasip. We got slippery rail condition. I'm not gonna be home in time.
Oh, wow.
Put a TV dinner in the microwave. I love you.
God.
AKA Grandpa Joe, because when you see Charlie, you see me. Don't touch that golden ticket, all right? And if my cat wants to scratch up your couch, you're blessed, okay?
What I'm saying?
When my cat destroys your couch, he's just doing what Virgil does to Nikes.
That's right.
Okay?
Deconstruct them.
You know what it is. You're
You know what I'm
blessed.
saying? It's art.
Put it on eBay. Mr. Chopping that street easy with a bad breeze like I'm easy. Please believe me. And I'm in the market now for commercial real estate. I'm buying production studios, baby. You know what I'm saying?
That's right, baby. That's right.
I want to make a classy porn. The Black Asiatic Addict will crack your back like automatic craft mag. Mr. La Marina, Mesh Marina with fresh misdemeanor, cold demeanor, aka problematic bay. That check engine light is just a suggestion. Let's go.
You don't need to pay attention to it until it starts speaking to you. Yo, this is episode 127, nigga. We like he said we doing this shit super turbo, micro machines fast. It's your boy the Mero, aka the Human Direct Pop, aka Curve Gotti, aka Trees Khalifa, aka Skirt. Love to jump the curb, hit your dog, keep it moving, keep asking me if I give a fuck. And speaking of dogs, happy birthday to Brownie. You are now 10 years old and closer to death, but we love you. Hey, I know fucking baby at fucking man, my nigga. Aka, listen, man. Ain't no motherfucking need to check the guest list. I am the guest list. I just won my 4th BAT award this month, nigga. Fuck is you talking about? You know what I'm saying? Get the fuck out my face. A.K.A. CC Diabathia, A.K.A. Get into the shmoney. It's in this smoke. It's your boy Goldman Schmack. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. I made my town keep the pool open till Thanksgiving and hand fill it with warm buckets of water just for my kids, nigga. Because I'm the fucking dad of the year. A.K.A. Bitch Smack Biombo. A.K.A. Diego Merodana. A.K.A. Dick in your baby Metobo. You don't come with this pussy no more. But you know why? Because this pussy belong to me, motherfucker. A.K.A. the new coach of the Knicks, David Trisdale, nigga. Pow, pow, take that for data. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Barlow Santana, so smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash a zip car. A.K.A. the Dominican Dada and Dundada Dykeman Daddy. You know what I'm saying? Catch me at Locksmith throwing up on myself, nigga. I don't care. I'm in the corner booth living it up. A.K.A. swipe my card again. There's definitely money on it. Just saying this, I'm playing. Put the plastic bag on that shit. You're embarrassing us. You know what I'm saying? Both. You know who the fuck I am. I was the voice of Monterey Jack on Rescue Rangers, mate. It's me, Monterey Jack. Don't you recognize my voice, mate? I'm a chipmunk that's fat and Australian. I played, you know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Romeo Santos. So Zanny, let me black out. I'll try and help with BBW on stage. I don't care, nigga. I don't care if it's your girl or not. A.K.A. Lighten El Dutchie. Hello? Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. That your broke ass ain't got 5. Wait till I do this duet with Diana Ross about cocaine. Yeah, niggas ain't ready.
Wow.
A.K.A. Tom Brady, your girl got my balls deflated. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. A.K.A. Phil the Ass Tyson. I want to explore your cosmos, man.
He wants the cosmos.
Yeah, especially the Milky Way. You know what I'm saying? That discharge. That shit's lit. Nasty nigga. A.K.A. Final Messi MVP of Gelato. A.K.A. Zaniel Bennyfield. I gotta get some sticks. A.K.A. Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? Peel glowed up. He's not doing the coals no more, but you know what I'm saying? Shit's still lit. Go get a tolete roll, my nigga. A.K.A. Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. I will replace your scrotum with a small but agile engine because I heard you were a sick fuck and you enjoyed the quick fuck. Candy, bring your ass over here. All them titties up. A.K.A. I'll open your fucking medicine cabinet. You know who it is, man. It's the Zen, man. A.K.A. Rico Sabrosa. A.K.A. Lucius Lion ass nigga, man. Come on, man. That baby don't even look like me, man. He don't talk like me. Nothing, man.
Forgot about your baby.
Fuck out of here, man. You my daddy, motherfucker. Have some accountability for your penis. A.K.A. Baby Newfoot, 2-5 niggas got garbage down the way. A.K.A. Neo Brown, shut the Carter down. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. live from the bodega on Dewey Avenue in Calhoun in the Bronx, breaking down boxes in the basement to use as floor mats when it snows. It's the East Tremont Stevie B, doing his greatest hits like I Wanna Be the One Your DD is Fucking and Dope Sick Love, Come Back to Me. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. straight from across the pond, mate. There's no more rock stars left. There's only tears and they are the Bodega Boys, mate. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? One of which is all straight from across the pond. It's the plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont. with 17 grams of coke in my butt. You know what I'm saying? AKA, I fucking met Mike Francesa. I'm never gonna fail. You know what I'm saying? AKA, starting at forward. Back then, hoes didn't want him. Now he's hot. They're all on him. It's Barmelo's Anthony.
Who?
Bang! Who? Barmelo's Anthony. If you see me at Short Hills smashing in the Chanel dressing room, approach me like a fucking earthside mammal, I will react aggressively. I sold fake leans to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high off oven cleaner and K2. So instead of sticking around for this recording session, I'm gonna go ahead and leave before this nigga perish. You know what I'm saying? AKA, Hasan, tírame la pizza, coño, ¿qué fue? Llegó el hijo Titi FIFA, coño, el que baja con la funda y la paca. A prueba de chapitón en el VIP Gravy, loco, pásame la juca. Eso, estamos lindos. Prende la maquinita, mami. Respeto los rangos para no sacar 38 y dejarte con el caco pelado como Hipólito. Este manso, mamagüevo. Episode 127, motherfucker.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Out here. Shout out to all the sponsors. As always, there's still tickets available for our Madison Square Garden show.
11/11, make a wish.
Make sure you get out there and get those tickets. People talking about the price too low, too high. I seen some tickets for $36. You can afford that.
Yeah, come on,
you can
man.
do a little Showtime dancing on the train. Come
Stop
on.
playing.
You listen. That's not even that. Listen, if you do the math, that's only if you do the math. Let's see, what is that?
It's 36. 36 divided by 6. Get 6 of your peoples. You know what I'm saying? Call 6 people up. Tell them, yo, can I have $6? And
that's only 720 cans that you can take out the garbage. Okay, you take them out the garbage. That
show some initiative.
I don't know, but yeah. You can go if you really want. If you want to go, someone else is gonna go. Don't miss out. The tickets are going fast.
Listen, where there's a will, there's a way.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? If you want to go, you'll make it.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying?
You can make anything happen. Yo, shout out to all my Fortnite heads. If you watched the cube melt into the lake, and now we've been bouncing around on there. I'm getting a little nice on there.
Oh, shit.
I want y'all, if you want to play me in Fortnite, be sure. My gamer tag is Hasan, blur this out. There you go. How about that? I'll quick scope any of you niggas.
You mad? Smirk you with the minigun from across the whole map, nigga. First nigga at Tilted Towers. Holla.
Oh, shit. Oh, man. Shout out to the Red Sox. You clinched the division, you cowards. You did it in Yankee Stadium, the Mecca. It's been defiled.
Yeah, it's so, oh, wow. What an accomplishment. They won the division. That's so great.
I'm not going to bullshit. If we won, we'd be talking cash shit right now.
We would.
We'd be talking cash money shit.
Cash money shit.
But you know what? They're gonna take that L in the first round.
Oh, you already know.
As you guys are prone to do.
You know what I'm saying? That's what you like to do.
Okay.
Have fucking Justin Pedroia ground out for a sad ending.
Okay. Yankees giving me the Luke Voigt.
Oh, yeah.
She's fucking crushing the ball.
He's he's built like a fucking
like a tank. Yeah. Like a cooler. Like the mini fridge in your dorm. Shout out to him. He's the greatest first baseman the Yankees have since Giambi, who wasn't that good at all.
Shout out to the Giambino.
And he's giving me Shelly Duncan.
Shelly Duncan vibes.
He's giving me Shelly Duncan vibes.
Okay.
Shelly Duncan of 07. I put that on Twitter yesterday. I was giving me Shelly Duncan. Everyone was like, yo, shit, what about Shane Spencer? Let me tell you something, you little fucking Yankee cowards. Shane Spencer, of course we all know Shane Spencer because...
We don't acknowledge Shane Spencer?
You know what? No, everyone knows that because that's for front-running fans. We won that year. Yeah. Like, that's when everyone was like hopping on the Yankees' dick after 96. Everyone was like, oh, I'm a Yankee fan now.
Talk to me about fucking...
where were you in 08?
Yeah. Where were you? Where were you for Richie Sexton?
Okay.
Where were you for
Big
fucking...
Sexton? How about that? Huh? How about that for Sal Fasano? You know that? When he had to shave his beautiful mustache to come to the fucking Yankees. Oh my God.
Who is this guy?
Oh, he looked like a fucking... he looked like Luigi.
Remember, where were you for Russell Martin when he came over and shaved and looked like a fucking newborn baby?
Okay, people don't know. You don't know the history. You don't know about those dark days. As Drake would say, dark things them.
Yo.
Hard times.
Yo.
True things.
True things. Yard man of them. Yo, what Major League Baseball player do you think could go to the Yankees and be like, nah, I'm not shaving my beard?
No one.
No one?
No one. The Yankees,
There's no
they
one
ain't releasing those the Yankees like, we're the Yankees.
Yeah, they're like,
the Yankees
fuck
like,
you,
yo,
nigga.
the Yankees are Chick-fil-A of baseball. They're like, yo, we got one stupid rule that makes no sense, and we're not changing that shit up, all right? You want a chicken biscuit on Sunday? Suck my dick, all right?
Dick, nigga.
You want to have facial hair
here.
and play for the 27 rings? I don't think so. Shout out to Andrew McCutcheon looking like uncooked chicken. It's a shame. A black man works his whole life to grow his facial hair out and got to shave it for these white Yakubian devils. And I'm sitting there like, let's go Yankees.
Yo, you man looks like
You can see it in his face too. He's like, damn, I had to shave for this shit.
Damn.
He's like, I know. He look in the mirror. He's like, I know I look stupid as fuck with that check.
Yo,
let's go, nigga.
Boy, let's get
Let's
it.
go. And also, you played in New York. Like,
Nigga,
you know what I'm saying?
he was shaving to fucking like money. That old fucking money.
Playing
All
to
around.
Deion Sanders. Must be the money.
It's turning me on.
Oh man,
Did he shave with a bevel blade?
he probably played with a fucking stack of hundreds, like stack of hundreds and some fucking shaving cream.
Yo,
Ooh, boy!
Yo,
Shout out to the new Air Jordan. What is this? The third? These are terrible.
They're scuba inspired.
These are terrible.
Yo, didn't niggas say that? Yo, didn't niggas literally say that on the sneaker shopping episode?
That what?
That when Jordan came out with the scuba boot or some shit. I don't know if if it made the edit or if it didn't make the edit, but we definitely said that at some point. That the Jordan with the had the weird zipper, like thigh high. They were like the 20-somethings. They had a cover that went over the shoe that had a zipper.
Oh yeah.
Like, and it looked like a wetsuit.
Oh,
I think he'd rather forget about that era.
Yeah, it was wild. Like some of these boots, man. Some of these, like this one, just looks like a knockoff of the fucking of LeBron shit. But you know what I'm saying?
Hey,
we're not picky. We'll take anything. Any gap you give us, we'll take it, Jordan. I was looking at my sneaker collection the other day, and I was like, damn. There's some shit here, boy. We was smoking that loud on Saturday morning. Some of the colorways, I was like, I want to go back in time. Like, yo,
they don't even make only Nike makes this color.
There's like certain colors. The shit don't even match anything. I'm like, what is this puke orange?
Yeah.
But also shout out to Super High Desus who accessed my Amazon Prime account. I want to say last Monday, and sent me 2 boxes of my favorite candy, green apple Mentos.
Oh.
And sent them as a gift. I put in the little note, enjoy. I had to be fucking smacked to do that. But that's the difference. That's the damage of Amazon. That's how Amazon does not help the community.
Fam.
We just got an Amazon hub in my building, which is cool. Do you have one? Are you familiar with those?
But Amazon comes, it's like a dedicated Amazon area?
It's like a machine. It's like a vending machine kind of thing. You get a code to your phone, and you go and you punch it in, and like all the doors open and give you your packages. And shit.
So niggas don't steal your shit?
Shit is lit. Niggas don't really steal shit in my building because like everyone is like, it's like upscale, and everyone in my building, we look at each other like we've worked hard to get here. Don't fuck this shit up. So every now and then you smell a little weed in the like you smell weed in the elevator, and you talk to the other person like that was not me, and I don't appreciate people smoking weed in here. All right, they need to do it on their balcony like I do.
Me, what you talking this shit behind your back like?
Or I have the big blunt behind my ear like, yeah, I'm gonna go across the street and blow it down.
That's right.
I'm not trying to violate. Wrong with niggas. Then they had to put up a sign. Because there's like a piano or some shit in the lobby, and it was like, yo, you can't don't play the piano between 11 a.m. and they said only play it between 11 a.m. and 8 p.m. And I was like, who the fuck was over here tickling the ivories at 4 in the morning?
Listen.
And then I had to like look back at my phone footage because that shit could have been me.
It could have been you, bro.
I could have got a little smack, got on Twitter,
and shit.
Heard a Frank Ocean song and been like,
you know what? I'm gonna cover this. NPR Tiny Desk, get this shit. Nigga,
punch you in your face, motherfucker. Who brought you home? How you turn blood?
Who jumped you in? How you turn cuz? That's the new
Casanova, the piano version. Like, yeah.
Lin-Manuel Miranda and Casanova gotta get together and do like a Broadway musical of his mix.
With the sticky up, Biggie got the sticky up. He's got the dancers like, It's like, oh, your favorite. What was the name of that guy on Channel 13? He had the piano and he would do like the politics as well with it. Political satire. Piano guy, politics. Come on, Google. You know what I'm talking about.
PBS? I was about to say Charlie Rose, but he's...
Nah, PBS.
They canceled him a long time ago.
He be touching people.
They canceled him a long time ago.
Don't be touching people. That's the new Bodega Boys rule. Don't be touching people.
Don't be touching people, y'all.
Unless they ask you to touch them.
Yeah.
They touch them nasty.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. What's this guy? Piano guy, politics,
PBS.
13. Damn.
Throw in a 13 and then fuck it.
13's gonna throw it off. It was like
Odell
80s?
Beckham playing the
in
piano?
the 80s, yeah. Mark fucking Russell. He was a humorist.
He's a humorist. That's a comedian that's not funny.
Erie, PA. What about Cleveland, Ohio?
Oh,
Guess who
God.
will never be mayor of Cleveland, Ohio? LeBron James. Anybody here From Pet
What the fuck is that about?
One.
And he would get on like this, like-
We're singing over there.
What the fuck?
That's what you gotta. If you don't like your parents-in-law, you send them to shit like that. Like, fuck out of here.
Fam, this is a fucking white minstrel show? Like, what the fuck was that?
What was that? The first comment on YouTube is, I guess this is supposed to be funny. IDK.
Yo, people got
Mark Russell.
Yo, shout out to Mark Russell, the humorist.
Humorist. That sounds like the wild. That's like you're at a dinner party. You don't want people in your business and shit. I'm a humorist.
I'm a humorist.
I'm not a comedian. I went to school for this.
No. I play the piano also while I do my humor. So, excuse me. People got upset with me because I said Steve Martin wasn't that funny. I'm like, I don't find Steve Martin that funny, bro.
I mean, Steve Martin was...
Like that's
some people when you grow up,
Egyptian
it's just like
shit,
yeah,
like,
you never find that funny.
I was like, I know age or stage in my life that I find that shit even funny.
Some people, when you were just coming up, some people was like, nah, they're funny. Laugh at them niggas.
Like
Chevy Chase,
Chevy Chase, like you're not funny, my nigga. Like you're not funny at all, like bro, like you're dead ass not funny. Like
listen, I'm gonna blow a lot of y'all minds right now. I'm gonna lose a lot of fans. I'm gonna tell you this right now. Caddyshack is a terrible movie.
It's a terrible movie.
Get that shit out of here. Get that shit the fuck out of here,
bro.
It's on the top of all y'all lists. Why?
Why? Just because
we're waiting. Yeah, get it out of here. It's not a funny movie.
Get out all the National Lampoon shit.
All of it.
That shit was trash.
You know what? We're going. Me and Mero are taking. We have lit torches. We are going to the national. We're going to the Smithsonian. We're burning down all your sacred goats. Shit's is not funny. Even some movies do not like Raw. Eddie Murphy Raw is still funny, but a lot of times he's just like, oh wow, I gotta turn the volume down on this.
I gotta turn this shit off right now. Like when he's like, I hate gay niggas, man.
I'm like, you can't.
I'm like,
yo. I mean, Eddie, chill.
I know it's 1982. And like y'all just discovered AIDS, bro, but like don't blame it on gay people. What the fuck is wrong with you?
I mean, Eddie. I think we've gone over our budget for. So maybe you want to, I don't know, drop it to maybe 30?
30, maybe? Like, yo, fam, nigga threw up more faggots than Kobe threw up jump shots. Like, god damn. Chill,
shit.
bro.
It's like, damn. and people just like, it didn't age well. Like, nah, like, that's not how we were talking.
Nah,
like, nobody was talking like that back then. There would not be anyone around if every other word out your mouth was the F word. Like,
yo, fam.
Mel, New York was a wild place.
Yo, it was.
It was a wild place. Back then, like, you see, like...
Back then, like, a bus driver would call you that for no reason.
Just so... As a greeting?
Yeah, hey.
You get on the fucking train, it's like a fucking rat with a hard hat. He's like, I'm Union.
I'm a Teamster.
Yeah, how's it going?
You fucking spick.
Working on a new water tunnel. You're welcome. Back in the 80s, the subway was wild. Like, you could punch a pregnant lady in the stomach and take her seat, and nobody would say shit.
Cared.
You spit on the floor.
Yeah.
They could take a fucking wild shits on the floor.
There was signs that said, like, you make shitting area.
Like,
you know
the train would go through the tunnel and just lose power and just turn dark.
Oh, yeah. Niggas forgot about that.
Scary. And now y'all complaining, oh, the train is late.
Oh, my God, it's so loud.
Oh, my God.
That's how you know motherfuckers is
thing.
not from here, bro. When, like, the train comes in the station and it's like, and they just like, oh, they put their hands on, oh, my gosh.
Or if, like, a siren passes by on the street and it's like,
they're like, oh, my gosh.
So loud. It's like, being a New Yorker, part of that is... You, by moving to the city, you accept the fact that you are going to damage your hearing.
You're gonna damage your hearing.
A lot of hair. There's a lot of things gonna happen in New York that are not good for your hearing. You're gonna hear a lot of sirens. You're gonna hear the train. If you are a DJ, you're gonna plug in your headphones and have the monitor volume all the way up.
Yep.
And you hear that loud pop, and you're gonna be like, "Oh shit!" You take the headphones off, but in your head, you're like, "Damn, I just did 10 years worth of damage to my ears."
That's right.
And when my kids play with me, they're gonna like pop, pop. Oh, you're gonna hear us. Johnny, are you eating sugar?
Yes, Papa. No, Papa.
Oh, man.
Telling lies.
Telling
lies.
Papa. Telling fucking lies, Johnny. Johnny, what the fuck is in your hand?
Huh?
Johnny, let me see your fucking hand. Let me see.
Open your nigga.
Like when you're walking your dog and it like bites something, you're like, open your fucking hand, Johnny. Johnny, what did I tell you about this? Who taught you how to use sugar? Who taught you how to use sugar?
Oh my God.
It was you, Dad. I learned it from watching you.
I saw you. I found your stash of sugar. Now my guts hurt.
Michael Anthony in the Chocolate Factory.
The beginnings, the origins.
Michael Anthony Anthony, stay on the tour and don't go into the room with the everlasting gobstoppers.
I told you I was only doing the yay because I was in the academy and I was trying to get true.
My son.
Come on now. Doopity-doo. Come on, let's sing it together. You're my son.
What do you do when your son's a junkie piece of shit? I'm like,
fuck you, assholes.
I'm like, this TBS version. This is. I'm looking at the guide. I'm like, is this edited for TV? What the fuck is this?
My guts hurt. I need an orange bag from Julio.
Are they bundling up? What is it? Did she just fall in a river of heroin? What is this shit?
Julio comes through as a giant blueberry, like, yo.
I told you not to go in the opioid room. What do you do when your son is a fiend? Can't leave your purse or your wallet on scene.
Niggas ahead. Bro.
You must go Julio. That's right. Our next remake, Michael Anthony.
Michael Anthony and the Chocolate Factory.
Opioid Factory.
Chocolate is in quotes.
You gotta keep giving him Narcan. He's passing out on the tour. Wow, this got dark fast.
Yo,
sick,
sad world. And to keep going deeper into the sick, sad world, did you see that fucking video of the dude who was ODing on the street and the homie gave him Narcan and then he got up and he was tight?
Yeah.
He was like, yo, you fucking on my high, bro. He tried to fight the nigga?
Yeah.
And I was like, yo, my man,
You can't get mad at niggas for trying to save your life, man.
Like, come on, me. Like,
you have to consider it. But I don't know. I mean, if you were nodding out like that, do you realize you're about to die? Maybe you don't know. Maybe you thought you were taking a light slumber.
He was just like, you're leaning, listening to like, and Fleetwood Mac was playing in his head and shit. Like, you know what I'm
shout
saying?
out to Harlem. Y'all still got them fiends, dog. Y'all still got
Harlem
them
got the fiends on deck.
Y'all got pristine out the box fiends.
Yo,
niggas
dead stock fiends, bro.
Niggas was bent over like cause figures. So I was like, God damn.
I was like, oh shit, you niggas still doing burning garbage cans out here? Oh shit, bro, that's throwback shit. It's like from a fucking Steven Seagal movie.
This is like the opening scene of RoboCop and shit. I'll buy that for $1.
Dopey's out there dancing at 5 a.m. Be like getting ready.
It's close to midnight. Something deep is working in the dark. You see a dope fiend like still a hubcap.
I need a hot bag.
We're smoking krills all night.
Cause this is Krilla. Krilla night.
Yeah, you gotta have key too, cause it is Krilla. Give me that fucking Krilla! Ah! I'm on fire! Rolling around the middle of the street and shit. Well, like Uber just goes around like
with somebody's kid's bike, like trying to sell his shit. Yo,
I shout out to my Uber driver. I think I had an Uber driver yesterday that I realized if he did a hit and run, he figured me for the type of person I wouldn't say anything.
You wouldn't say shit.
Like he looked back at me like, "Oh, that was close." Right? Yeah, I was like,
you wouldn't say.
I was like, I was on my phone.
You ain't no snitch, right?
I was like, yo, if that kid, who told? They tell gay. They tell I have to see on my screen. They tell little kids don't chase the ball in the street. So I mean, that's a terrible. Teach your kids, man. Don't teach your kids to chase the ball in the street.
Yeah, that's right. My kids don't even leave the sidewalk, B. Like when you live off a major avenue for an extended amount of time, like your kids learn, B. Like my dog now is mad confused because she used to just go around the block by herself and then come back. Because it was like a regular New York City block, but now it's like a weird cul-de-sac shit. So she just goes onto the main Ave and is just like, Then I get a call 5 minutes later. Yo, do you own a Shih Tzu named Brownie? I'm like, yeah. Why? I have her. She's 6 blocks away. I'm like, oh shit, thank you.
Damn.
You Yakubian?
Damn.
Shout out to Yakubians.
Shout out to Yakubi. Speaking of Yakubi, we gotta call in because we're still taking nominations for White People Soul Food brackets.
Yeah.
Right now, the top contenders are casserole and what was the other one?
Not cottage cheese?
Mac and cheese.
Oh, mac and cheese.
Casserole
Mac and cheese?
Mac and cheese. White people love mac and cheese. White people love They don't make it the right way. They make it from the box.
Oh, the box shit. Okay, I thought you said
they put
like
the water
baked
in the cheese pocket and then they make a big pan of that.
Nah.
Now somebody gonna write in, my mother uses 4 types of cheese and mac and cheese. You are an anomaly. Get out of here.
Shut up.
All right?
Get out of here, bro.
We're talking about white people in general, specific, stereotypical terms.
That's right.
We're not talking about actual white people. We're talking about the white people I used to draw in high school because I did not know white people. Okay? Now feed the racism.
Yo.
I did not know casserole was that big with white people, but apparently casserole, y'all coming in hard.
Oh, casserole's
so
huge.
Y'all gotta. If it not casserole, let it be known.
Casserole's huge with white people. Green bean casserole, baby carrots. Fucking what else? What else are they?
Casserole's disgusting. I can't let y'all go down
Casserole.
like that.
Casserole is just like lazy.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? It's like, yo, I could make I could make biscuits. I could make chicken. I could make pasta. I could just throw all this shit in a Pyrex and throw it in the oven for 20 minutes.
I mean, it's not my place to talk on another culture's food. Who am I to? I mean, if that's what they like, that's what they like. You know, I wasn't raised that way, but I'm not going to begrudge them. You know, let these white people enjoy their foods.
Yeah, okay. Enjoy cottage cheese doubles.
White people don't even fuck with cottage cheese like that. How did they get that? For a section of time, cottage cheese was going hard, but that was never
specifically
for all white people fucking with cottage cheese. Like
white people, what is it? Why did that stick to y'all?
It didn't. It never stuck to it. It was just like people on Twitter who had never seen white people. The same people on Twitter who think white people only eat cottage cheese are the same people who say if someone takes out cocaine at a party, they're leaving. Let me tell you something. If someone takes out cocaine at a party and you leave, you shouldn't have been there in the first place. You had a lame ass party.
You're a square.
Also, if you take if someone takes out cocaine in front of you at a party, they say, hey, you cool.
Act like you've been there before.
They say, hey, you cool. You with the shits. You're not gonna snitch.
Yeah.
All right. If it's not your cup of tea, it's not your cup of tea.
Nigga, they don't offer you a bump.
All right. What is this? Fucking Spectre? Stay off in drugs and shit.
Come on, B.
Out of here.
Give me a break.
Get your Nancy Reagan ass out of here. You're going to do 2 the little lines and really get the party started, okay? If I put the punch bowl on my head, that's what I'm doing. Jesus Christ.
Yo,
can't even do a little diva fuel nowadays without people judging you.
Come on.
Okay?
Can't even get a little booger sugar up my nasal passage.
How do you think we built New York in the 2000s? I built Sound Factory single-handedly. Me and my cousin Sal.
You never went to Limelight. You don't know what it's like.
I carried every brick over on New Jersey Transit.
That's right.
I'd bring one brick, come over, get a little plaster, put it back. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, okay? That's right.
Boris was DJing. It was wonderful.
It was a great time.
I used to do steroids, so I never kept my shirt on.
It was awesome.
You guys are missing out.
It was just me and Dom Jr.
Yeah.
And Dom the Third.
And after that, we'd go to Pasha.
Yeah, man.
It was pretty sweet.
Twilo.
Oh, all those great spots. Angel. We was all over the place. Little after hours at Green Room.
You know what I'm saying, bro? Come on, bro.
Yeah, you guys don't know.
I did blow with J.R. Smith there once.
Remember that time I got caught on last night parties because I was sucking on some girl's titas?
Yo, that was, shout out to Bronx.
I had to ask him to take the photo down. Okay? They linked to it on nerve.com and made it hot. Everyone was like, wow, you guys are old as shit. Old as shit. Yo, I mean, we're getting to the point where the hip-hop generation is going to have dentures. So, also because people do a lot of drugs.
Fam.
Like, who's the big Polydent, right? Polygrip.
Polygrip, yeah.
Polygrip got to make like a hip shit for millennials. Like a hip grip.
Pop and grip.
Pop and grip. Yo, what's poppin'?
Yo, pop and grip.
They
Nigga,
get like
what up?
Cardi, like, what's poppin'?
Yo, what up? Okay.
Okay, you can listen. Keep your fucking teeth in your mouth. All right?
That's what I'd rather just have no teeth, B. That sounds like such a hassle.
What, dentures?
Like, I could barely put in context.
I enjoy corn and steak, okay? I don't... Also, people judge you if you have no fucking teeth in your mouth. No matter how much money you have, if you have no teeth in your mouth, people go like, get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, chill.
And as someone who flirted with the idea of going to dental school, teeth are important to keeping up the structure of your face. That's why you get the sunken in face and you start looking wild.
That's right.
So keep your teeth.
That's why you
keep
crack
your teeth. Even if you don't let your dentist pull your teeth no matter how bad they are, unless it's unrepairable, because almost every teeth can be saved. The roots.
Right.
It's like Strictly Roots or the band The Roots with the live instrumentation plus loving them.
They're saving hip hop.
It's all good.
They're saving hip hop, and your roots will save your teeth.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? You know who told me that? Dr. Vavolitza, like pizza.
Hey,
I went to UNC dentistry school.
He'll tell you right there.
Yeah.
He'll let you know it's right there.
I'll let you know. Let me tell you something. My mother's 110 years old. You know why she's so old?
Why?
Because she got healthy gums.
There you go.
The key to long life and longevity is healthy gums. Let me tell you something.
It'll take you far.
I went to UNC dentistry school. You know who my roommate was?
Who?
The legendary Lawrence Taylor, LT.
Oh, wow.
The man himself.
Yeah, he had like some statutory rape charges.
Yeah, he did. I mean, he's a good guy though. I dormed with him. We did a lot of yay together.
Wow.
Breaking
news. Breaking news. The Metro North is building 450 parking spaces at the Croton Falls Station.
Oh, park and ride.
Somewhere Barstool was like,
Yes.
so I told all my Metro North riders know about the parking situation. That should make you have to park your car like 3 stations down. That doesn't make any sense. I'm on the train to avoid this shit.
I'm parking in Waterbury. What am I doing?
What is this shit? Honey, take your good stuff out the car. I'm leaving it in the Bronx.
Put everything in the trunk under the spare tire.
Oh shit! You got to go in your attic, bring out the club, just in case. Yo, if you got a piece of shit, if you still got a club, either you got a piece of shit or you worked very hard for your piece of shit. You live in a bad neighborhood.
Or you just got it
in front of the weapon. You got to beat someone's ass. You never know.
You can whoop a nigga ass at the club,
You could
bro.
kill someone with a club.
Fam, because the shit comes out and it's like
It's 2 weapons.
It's like serrated. It's like a ninja sword, B, for broke niggas.
Yo, that's not. You can't misinterpret when someone grabs the club.
Yeah, you know what time
They're not
it is.
trying to talk. They're not trying to exchange insurance information. All right.
They come to talk. They came to
They're
bang
not
it
doing no estimates. They not trying to like scuff out the pen.
No,
Okay.
no, they just hearing computers in their head on loop.
They jumping over cars when they shoot. The general got to do an ad like that. But I'm just a general with that tool. That could be Flo from Progressive if she got the tool gun. I'm just Flo with that tool.
Progressive with that tool? Yo.
Oh shit. Oh wow. That's a 5-minute warning mark.
Yo, shout the flow.
Do your breathing. Breathe out now.
Breathe in.
Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. You know what? I never remember that. We bring that song up. We brought that song up before on the show. That is Machine Head by Bush.
Head. Wow. 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 Breathe in, breathe out. Fuck my nanny.
See
fuck
that
my
right there?
nanny.
I'm starting a Lamaze class with that shit. I'll be like, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. With the mad power chords behind pregnant women, like, yeah. Her water's breaking down. She's fully dilated.
10 centimeters, get the potatoes.
Who signed me up? Why would you send me to a power guitar Lamaze class?
I'm scared.
The baby's palpitating. The baby's just like doing the mad head nod and shit. Like, baby sticks his hand out the vagina with a lighter, like, yeah, rock on.
Yeah, rock on, dude.
Play stains.
Yo, that nigga had it made in the shade, and then he went and he fucked his nanny and fucked his whole life and his whole shit up.
Who stained?
The homie from Bush.
They're from Bush?
Gavin Rossdale.
Oh, yeah. Nigga said made in the shade.
Yeah.
Okay.
He had it made in the shade, baby.
I'm sorry. They got the sweater over his shoulder like Carlton.
Hey, baby.
Made in the shade sounds like a nigga trying to borrow a cigarette or $1 from you in front of an OTB.
Hey, man. Hey, brother. Hey, look. You look like you got it made in the shade, brother.
Fuck away from you. Like lock your door. Like, yo, pump my own gas, nigga. He's like, nah, you know, it's New York. Look, I gotta pump you. I'm like, it's New Jersey. Get away from me, nigga.
Fuck out of here.
Get away from my family's in that car. Get away from there.
Get away from me. Why you wearing 4 trench coats?
Oh, shit. No, I'm selling them. You know what I'm saying? Off-white, off-price. You know what I'm saying? Yo, but it's your boy Desus Nice, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, a.k.a. Pocket Stay Fat like Cheerio, a.k.a. Pocket Stay Fat like, here we go!
Hey.
Catch me at a local junior high school inspiring the kids saying some shit like that. Chris That's Whistling Dick, Eli Lippy, Butcher's Puli Gully, Slow Banana Might Know You Bitch, Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego. You guys are like, why are you ending it so early? Yom Kippur. Mr. Nanos with Rondo, 1994 in Nueva York, Macau going off the Juve Boss, MC Looking Go P, put up for 40 with Shorty, a.k.a. Don't Talk to Me in the Uber Pool, because I don't know you, I'm not here to make friends, I'm just trying to get to some place, and I'm taking the Uber Pool, which means I don't really care about it, I'm trying to save money.
Yeah.
The original +1 got +1, so don't make a fuss, son. These is Rossi and the Jamaican Jew. Again, it's Yom Kippur.
Hey.
You know what I'm saying?
Break your fast with a bagel.
Hey, put a little smear on
A
that.
little schmear. Some lox, maybe.
Also, Cynthia Nixon got shit for that bagel. That bagel was fucking delicious. I tried it. I did not. Jermaine Avocado, Young Pod, The Ghost of Mufasa, Young Chakuluni Rita Kuluni, a.k.a. Chilimo, Left-Handed Reliever Yankees, K-Lo K, 2 Phone Jones, DJ Machina, J Chuckles, Stanley Cups, The Human Dr. Brown is able to dilute.
Yeah.
Leonardo Trapio, Mr. 240p, because I like my Pinot Blurry, a.k.a. Juju Woolite, a.k.a. to Wash the FM. Up next, you got 24 hours of that song they played at your fat auntie's wedding.
Yes.
Eric Benet featuring Tamia, Spend My Life With You. And it is a stated fact, 80% of couples that played that at their wedding are now divorced. Say that word.
Whoa. Was it even a song?
spend my life with you.
That is very audacious for Eric Benet to say.
I mean, I think he's talking about the herp he got. Anyway, allegedly. Stanley Cup. The curry goat. These spices. Jamal Hasper, the Bronx Celine Dion. Ray nephew, the Moreno. You cannot contain no. Human memory. Word the job. Young Aaron, the race provocateur. Henry Bloodcoast. Nelson Mandela. Sergio can't see me. Yeah, that is audacious. Vladimir Buford, the human world, melting your mouth. Mr. Bex, I'll take it to never go full Eric Benet. Ricky Tiki Squad, baby. Greg Popovich. Morris Sanchez Chestnut. Mahatma Gandhi. Not Maccabee, but I got that cucumber. The juice of the press, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it, I am. The Dundada Ganoush. No more couple news. The Prince of Beckham. The Fashion Overcast. Number 4. You made 5 cents a dollar. Forget the small change. Give me. The only answer to my salute is Dipset, Miss Sagan, has to be on square one, top left. Mass is Marv. Trovers of the Holy Cow. Miss South Puzzle, I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ, Purples of Soda, and Sweet Sunny G. David Yerman.
What are they? What's he doing?
Smokeem Noah, Andrew Coonan, let me kill you. AKA the Junior, Eddie God Jr. Come sit down, palm me, charge
Sip on it, wine party, charge party.
Because I got your bitch on freeze and she might die when I'm grooming her. The topic of gossip of Sayasa, AKA Grandpa Joe. When you see Charlie, you see me. You know he's a cat. Don't get cut, nigga. Don't touch that golden ticket. Mr. Chopping that street easy like a bad breeze, like I'm easy. Please believe me. The black idiot addict crack your back like an automatic crap addict. Mr. La Marina, Mesh Marina with fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor, a.k.a. problematic babe. Give that kid a La Marina to drink at his lunch.
Oh, that's right.
Up next, we got who?
It's your boy, the Kippur, a.k.a. the Human Durag Flap, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? Oh, respect Juicy J. Yo, a.k.a. Skirt Loader, jump the curb, hit your fucking dog, keep it moving. Ask me if I care. I do not. I know fucking baby, I fucking man. No need to check the guest list, motherfucker. I am the guest list.
No, check the guest list. I need to know the name of the guy that just hit my dog.
Yeah,
he hit my dog like 3 times in a row this year.
This is my house. This is actually my crib. This is where I live. I just hired a bouncer because I want to feel cool. A.k.a. CC Dab Bathia. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We out here.
Nigga just got the velvet rope in front of his room.
A.k.a. getting to the shmoney and this smoke. It's your boy Goldman Schmiract for my smokers. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. my kids each got a Tesla to auto drive them to school with a chauffeur that don't do shit but open the door when they arrive because I'm the motherfucking dad of the year. A.k.a. Big Smack Biombo. A.k.a. Diego Maradona. Do a couple shoelaces in the bathroom and come out and get it shaking. A.k.a. Dick in your baby tumble. You don't come with this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me, motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Bring me 20 goats and you may have the pussy back. A.k.a. the new coach of the next David Trisdale. Wow, take that for data, motherfucker. A.k.a. Barlow Zantana, so smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash a smart car. Somehow I survived and did it again. A.k.a. the Dykeman Daddy. A.k.a. listen to me, man. So I'm a cardigan, man. There's definitely money on it. You're embarrassing us both, man. You know who the fuck I am. I played the dude with the Jerry curl in Pulp Fiction. I said motherfucker a lot, remember?
Yeah.
That was me.
Wow.
That was me. A.k.a. Romeo Santos. So Zanny. Let me black out. Yo, I'll kiss your girl in the mouth. I don't care if you're there. I don't care if your mother's there, nigga. I don't care. I'll kiss your grandmother. I'll pull your grandmother's titty out on stage at United Palace.
They'll
I don't
have
care.
herpes.
I don't care. I love them all.
You.
Forever. I got Chelsea boots on. A.k.a. Latin El Dutchie. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you're broke ass ain't got 5. So get the fuck out of here with your tray bag, you piece of trash. Damn. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Tom Brady, your girl got my balls deflated. And the Jets are fucking atrocious. So the AFC is going to be won by the Patriots once again. A.k.a. Phil the Ass Tyson. I want to explode your cosmos, ma. Let me pour some Red Bull down your crack and lick it. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Yeah. And not the maxi pad kind. A.k.a. Frino Bessie, MVP of Gelato. A.k.a. Zaniel Bettyfield. Now you gotta get some sticks. A.k.a. Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. If there's no hookah at the Mama Sushi, it's not official. A.k.a. Ben Boston. With the precision of a Swiss wristwatch, I'll replace your larynx with that of Saint Nicholas, better known as Santa Claus, so that you can finally have some hoes. Get it? Ho, ho, ho. That's a good one. Thank you, Candy, for humoring me. A.k.a. open your medicine cabinet. You know who it is, man. It's protect your benzos, nigga, because it's the Zen, man. A.k.a. Rico Sabroso. A.k.a. Lucius Lioness, nigga. Come on, man. I have no idea who you're saying that is, man. Hey. How did you get this address, man? How'd you find me, man? Come on, man. Now, don't make a scene here, man. They know me. They know where I work, man. Come on, man. AKA Baby Newport, 2-5 niggas got garbage down the way. AKA Nino Brown, shut the car down. AKA live from the Checkers drive-thru at Bay Plaza. It's the East Tremont Stevie B doing all his hits like I Wanna Be the One Your TT is Fucking and Dope Sick Love gave me HPV. You know what I'm saying? AKA straight from across the pond, mate. Like I said before, previously, every episode I have to remind you cowardly, bloody cunts that there's only 2 rock stars left in the millennium of the world. They're the Bodega Boys, and I am the plantain supernova. The plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont. Hopping the turnstile that was farms because I'm broke. AKA I've met Mike Francis, I'm never gonna fail. AKA
Never.
Starting at forward, sitting sideways with a cup of that oil, it's Barmelos Anthony. Pints, bang! Yo, listen, if you see me at Target doing back-to-school shopping, and by back-to-school shopping, I mean buying myself self-care items like ice packs and cooled eye masks so that I can sleep while Heather and the nanny make breakfast, approach me like a fucking earthside mammal, that's a bear for the uninitiated. Thank you. I sold fake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high off baby wipes that squeezed into an old activist bottle. He's talking about, I got racks, my bitch bad. All I wanted was a dad. Damn, that's sad. AKA Hasan tiene orbita. Uy, llegó el ejército FIFA, el más duro, el feo de la el más feo, el feo de la mami linda. El Idris Elba dominicano. Llega a mi nivel. Guaremate, salta para atrás. Llama un Uber y rueda para iguayazo, que aquí no hacemos coro con lambones. Oye, palomazo, todo lo viene en Los Mi. Estamos activos con Hasan Insane, dímelo. Broquete el clapitán. Si tú andas arrancado, quédate acostado, mamá huevo. You know what I'm saying? We got to lean. Stupid.
Hey, episode 127. We back next week. Hey, we out.
Peace.